Hi, welcome to Think Big Digital, and today I will show you how to apply filters in CapCut. First, let's open our app, and as you can see, I already have a project opened here. Now to apply filters, you have to locate Filters option in the bottom menu, which you can locate by scrolling here, and if I select the Filters icon, it will show me various filters that I can choose from. Now as you can see, most of the filters are in Pro subscription, but you can always choose a filter and then select how intense it would be and also adjust your filter according to your liking. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment below and we'll be more than happy to answer it for you. And if you want to see us more on your For You page, subscribe to our channel.